Hello everyone. Now this is one Seagate Line B. This is the family ID pension drive. Okay. Now let's see how to work with the firmware modules of this pension Seagate drive of Line B family. And we have unlocked the firmware area. Now from snug window we can see we have already read the original ROM, generate the unlock ROM, and write the unlock ROM, and then send unlock key to unlock the firmware arrow. After unlock the firmware arrow, and we can find all the firmware modules here. But for firmware backup, we can go the SA operations and click read SYS files, click OK. We select the most important SYS files to backup. .35, 93. Now we click OK to back up these SYS files. We can see the model number is ST2000DM005, and this is remote support by TeamViewer, and this client is from Bolivia. Bolivia. So we just need to wait a little bit until all the important firmware modules backup are read successfully. We are reading in HDD mode, so it's fast to read all the important firmware modules. Okay, so after the firmware backup, we can check within the COM terminal, wait for 0 to view the glist. Now we can see there are a lot of bad sectors in the glist. Main bad sectors. Send on OK. We can clear the list. Before 0. We can try to need to use this client doesn't have doesn't have the English keyboard. We can clear the smart and then we can regenerate the translator. This translator regeneration takes a little longer time than expected. Okay, now let's check the V40 again. and we can try to access the data arrow, and we can scan the data arrow, so it's not a problem. And we can check the ending part. Clear. Okay, so that means this drive is perfectly fixed and all the data arrow has been accessible. This is the ending part of the data arrow. Thank you for watching the video.